Dang, I forgot my intro. It's been that long? Oh. Hey guys, welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Catalina, aka Styleofcatalina on here, and it's been a minute.
Well, obviously.
Yeah, I know. But I'm back. I miss you guys so much. And I just would like to shout out everybody that has been subscribing to me in my time of absence. The love that was being shown, I appreciate it. I just don't have any words for it. But for today's video, I am going to be using the old school, the old school Bluemagic. Now, if you don't know, this is an old product that my mom used to use back in the day when she used to do those ugly behind cornrows. Y'all know what I'm talking about. They used to hurt like hell. But every time I smelled this product, I knew my mom was going to do my hair. And low-key, I just wanted to cry inside because they used to hurt. I was tender-headed back then. Alright, teen tender-headed. But anyway, I just wanted to bring it back again just to see if it would actually work for my hair, and just to see also if my curls would define with my braid out and the perm rods. But let me just skip all of the talking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you used to use this product back in the day, or your moms, or your dads, whoever did your hair use this product before. Okay, now let's get started. So I'm starting off with an old blowout. I'm kind of looking a little dusty, but it's okay. It's all right. I'm going to be taking my comb and parting my hair into the middle. It's kind of parted, but I kind of wanted it to be a little bit cleaner. So right here, I'm taking the Auntie Jackie's avocado and grapeseed oil, and I'm just placing that on each part. Now for this style, I'm going to be parting my hair into 6 sections. At this point, I'm just making sure that my hair is detangled. I'm using a Denman brush or the fake one. That's not the real Denman brush, but we just gonna act like it's the real Denman brush. Also taking the same oil and placing that throughout my hair. Now I'm going to be using the star of the show, Bluemagic hair grease. I call it pomade. If you're Haitian, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Smells amazing. I'm basically taking a good amount of it into my hair. Mind you, I'm not using no type of gel for this thing, so I'm just hoping for the best, because at this point in my head, I'm like, is this going to really define my braid out? But yeah, y'all gonna see. So right here, I'm just braiding all the way down until I reach the point where I want my perm rod to be. I'm going to take some water and just spritzing that on my end, so that way it could, you know, help a little bit, make sure that it's kind of defined at the ends of my hair. Taking the perm rod and just rolling it up. I'm just going to continue to keep repeating this step over and over again for each section. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm looking really good right now. And at this point, I am just unraveling the perm rod and the braid. So y'all are gonna see exactly what happens. I was kind of anxious because I really wanted to know if it worked. So as I'm unraveling the first part, I'm just like, in my head, y'all don't really see in my face, but in my head I'm just like, yeah, this didn't really define my curls. I mean, obviously, you know, it's not really a gel, so it's not gonna really hold it as much. It's just a grease. But my hair does feel really moisturized, I'm not gonna lie. As far as the hold, it just didn't really work for me. Next time I'm gonna do this with a gel, so I'm gonna use the pomade as a base, the Bluemagic as a base. Right now I'm using Murray's Edge Wax and placing that on my edges as a base. Then I'm going to take these bobby pins. I bought these at the beauty supply store for $1. You can pick any color you want, any size. But me personally, I wanted the gold long ones. Personally, you don't have to style it the way I'm styling it. This is your time to be creative. Do what you want to do with this. But for today's video, I'm just doing it in that way. I love this hairstyle only because it's a bold piece. And that's a part of who I am. As far as fashion and style, I love being creative. I love being unique. To style my edges, I'm going to be using the Ebin's 24-hour edge control. I don't know, this day my edges was not cooperating. But yeah, this is basically the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys do this look as well. You don't have to do it with your hair out. You can do it in a bun, whatever style that you would like to do it with. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you're going to be doing this hairstyle. And if you do, please tag me on Instagram. But if God willing, I will see you in the next video. And make sure you guys love others because God loved you first. Bye.